So differentiate sine 3x. So y is equal to sine 3x. We want to find out dy by dx. So we already have discussed the standard formula for solving sine of any function, sine of any value. So here it is similar to y is equal to sine of, say, u. Okay, because u is a function of x. So dy by dx is equal to differentiation of sine u is cos u and ddx of u. Okay, so that is how we are going to solve this. So what will be the result? So here yu is equal to 3x given to us. So therefore ddx of sine 3x will be as it is cos 3x, and ddx of u is 3x, like this. So we have used this expression y is equal to sine u, then dy by dx will be equal to cos u, differentiation of u with respect to x. Here u is equal to, in this example, 3x. So ddx of sine 3x is cos 3x, differentiation of 3x, which is u. And differentiation of 3x is, because it is cx to 3. So we'll get cos 3x multiplied by 3. So is equal to 3 cos 3x. So that is the answer. So differentiation of sine 3x is 3 cos 3x. Now differentiation of cos square x. Yes. So if y is equal to cos square x, what will be dy by dx? So this is similar to y is equal to u to the power n. So dy by dx will be given by n u to the power n minus 1 du by dx, because we can write down y is equal to cos x whole square. So cos x, let us say this is u. So y is equal to u to the power n. N is equal to 2. So u to the power n, that is the standard formula we are going to use to solve this. Here u is equal to cos x, n is equal to 2. So therefore y ddx of cos x whole square is equal to twice cos x, and its power is 2 minus 1 into differentiation of u, which is cos x. Okay, so twice cos x and power is 1, so twice cos x, and ddx of cos x is minus sin x, that is a standard formula. So what we get is minus twice sin x cos x, and if through trigonometry we know 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, so minus sin 2x. So that is the differentiation of cos square x. So that is the result. Okay. So any questions on this? Anybody question? So y is equal to x to the power 5 by 2. And we have to find differentiation of y with respect to x. So here it is similar to y is equal to x to the power n. So dy by dx for this expression is n x to the power n minus 1. So like this we are going to solve. So ddx of x to the power 5 by 2. 5 by 2 and outside x to the power 5 by 2 minus 1. So 5 by 2 and result for this will be equal to x to the power 3 by 2. So that is the answer. Okay, so let us solve one more. Differentiation y is one, that is tan 5x. We have to find out dy by dx. So find out. So differentiate dy by dx of tan 5x. So this is similar to differentiation of tan u, because we can use 5x as u. So what is the differentiation of tan? So differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So therefore we'll write down secant square u, that is 5x as it is, and then differentiation of u is what? 5x. So this is how we are going to differentiate. So differentiation of tan 5x is secant square 5x and then differentiation of 5x. So secant square 5x as it is, and differentiation of 5x will be 5 only. So answer will be 5 secant square 5x. So that is the differentiation of tan 5x. Okay. So if some value is given, for example, if the value of x is 9, what will be the value? So you can put the value of x equal to 9 and find the result. So if it is given, for example, within the question it is given, if x equal to 9, find dy by dx. So if x equal to 9, what will dy by dx will be equal to secant square 5 into 9 and 5. So 5 secant square angle is 45. So 5 secant 45 and its square. So that is how you're going to solve. And the value of secant 45, what is the value of secant 45? It is under root 2, if I remember, under root 2 and square. So the answer will be 10. Okay, because cos 45 is 1 by under root 2. So secant 45 is under root 2 and square of that, and the final result will be 10. So if the question is asked, y is equal to tan 5x, find dy by dx if x is equal to 9 or when x equal to 9. First you differentiate 5x tan 5x with respect to x, which is secant square 5x ddx of x,